Hey everybody, Sean here with Zero to Income, and today we are going to wrap up the service-based website template that we've been working on in Systeme.io. So about the very last thing that I really want to do with this particular template to get it ready to be used as a lead magnet and or maybe even as a possible product is the junk drawer, what they refer to as the junk drawer. And what the junk drawer is, if we scroll all the way down, it is your footer. And your footer is just where you put everything else that you don't have on your main website above the fold here. All right, you really don't need your privacy policy up here. You really don't even need the about us up here. You don't really need a we're hiring up here. You don't need to have a terms and conditions up here. So, all that stuff that needs to be on your site but doesn't need to be dominant on the site goes down in the junk drawer. And so that's what we've got here. Now, in this particular website template, we do also have in here, it's hard to see, but these are also the social icons. So in here, I'll show you how to, as I do this video, it'll show you how to edit these. This will be part of the template as well. I've been going kind of alternating white and blue all the way down, and I'm almost kind of thinking about leaving this a different color than everything else, and or maybe make it this dark green. Let's just go and click into it and just see what this dark green looks like. And yeah, I don't know. We'll see. So now what we want to do is go into our logo. We're going to click on the logo and we're going to go and go into here and grab the logo that we're using for the site, which is this guy right here. It's going to be really big when I pop it in. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to scroll all the way up here. I want to click on this one just to see what the size is. It's 140. I want to match the size. So let's go all the way back down, click into it. And we're going to take this size down to 140. Oh, I skipped. There we go. All right, so there's our logo. I'm not really sure if I'm liking that. And it also almost looks like it has a border around it. Saying no, though. No shadow. I'm not liking the way, oh, you know what's going on here? I know why. It's got a white background. So because of that, and I don't think we don't want to take the white background out because I've got green in here. And then we wouldn't be able to read the landscaping. But I'm not a fan of this logo being like this, which tells me that we're going to have to get creative here on this. Yeah. All right. I don't know if I want this background to be a white, but it does need to be very similar, very close to being white because of this. We could go back up here into this one and maybe change this one to like a gray, but that's a little bit too dark of a gray. That's going to do for now. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to get our text darkened up there. I'm going to bold it as well because it's kind of hard to read. Bold, my dark gray, same thing here. Can I highlight them both? Yeah. There. Same thing. Up. Get a click in. There. All right, this is getting kind of hard to read. Let's do save changes. We're going to click on our preview option. That'll open it up in a new tab. Scroll all the way down, just take a peek at it live. I am not sure if I like the gray. It's kind of hard to see on this white background. I'm kind of thinking of the dark green here. Need to fix this too. So what we want to do is click into this button just because it's easier to see. And I'm going to go down, click on here, and I just want to make sure, copy that. All right, so we're going to go into our HTML element, double click on it, go to edit code. And then in here, yeah, I did need the hex code. What we're looking for is our our hex codes. On hover, let's leave that there just like that for now. I want to see what that looks like. So that's on hover, text decoration, none. Okay. not seeing anything there. Okay, there. And we're getting into our style elements here. That's a path fill. I don't know if this is where it'll be or not. Let's pop this in and see. Save. Yep, that's it. That just changed. But notice that the path fill now it's like a dark. Save changes. That's not the green. Get it back down to our edit code. Scroll all the way down. Ah, what's the pound sign? Didn't get that in. Save. There we go. Got green. Click back in there. Edit code. We'll scroll all the way down. That was for the first one. This is for the Instagram. Scroll all the way over and look for that hex code again. Copy that. Paste. Same thing here. Paste. 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 Save. Okay. Save. Do a preview. Scroll all the way down. I want to see what the hover looks like. Okay, it's not showing a hover, which is fine. All right, so let's go ahead and fix our copyright stuff at the very, very bottom. Go back over here. Click into this. Click into that. And just we want to highlight that whole thing. Do that. We're going to go here. This is going to be that. We're going to make this all green. And then all rights reserved. We'll do dark again. And I think I'm going to make this bold. It's kind of hard to read. Bold. Yeah. And see what this looks like bold. That works. I'm happy with that. So that's our junk drawer. We have our junk drawer already set up, everybody, now. Our service-based website template is pretty much good to go. These will be links to link text. You would just go and highlight them, click on link. You would put your URL for your privacy policy there. You would do the same thing here. Click on link, put the URL for your terms and conditions page, et cetera, et cetera. But as far as everything else goes, I mean, we're dialed in. So our service-based website template now is dialed in. And if you could, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. That helps us out tremendously, and have an awesome day.